My dog ate all my weed, left me with nothing to roll. I set it on the table just for a minute. Now my stash is gone and my dog's in a spin, stumbling around, crossing his feet, dribbling pee and looking pretty beat. I'm laughing hard, but it's a crying shame. My dog's high as a kite and I'm to blame. My dog ate all my weed, now he's acting like a fool, hungry as can be, eating everything. My dog's on a THC cruise, and it's all my fault, it's true. He's munching on the couch and the carpet too, eating shoes and socks like they're dog food, it's true. He's howling at the moon and barking at the wall. I'm trying to calm him down, but he's having a ball. His eyes are dilated and he's shaking like a leaf. I'm worried sick, but it's hard not to laugh and grieve. My dog ate all my weed, now he's acting like a fool, hungry as can be, eating everything. My dog's on a THC cruise, and it's all my fault, it's true. I should have known better than to leave my stash unguarded. Now my dog's in a haze, and I'm feeling pretty embarrassed, but I'll take care of him and make sure he's alright. 'Cause when it comes down to it, he's still my best buddy tonight. He's sleeping now, all curled up tight, dreaming of treats and chasing lights. I'm sitting here feeling kinda low. My weed's gone and my dog's in a show, but I'll forgive him 'cause he's my friend, and we'll get through this till the very end. My dog ate all my weed, now he's acting like a fool, hungry as can be, eating everything. My dog's on THC cruise, and it's all my fault, it's true. So here's to my dog and his wild ride, and here's to me for being a careless guy. We'll get through this and we'll be just fine, but next time I'll keep my stash in a safer place. That's mine.